Hey everybody, Bo here. Hey, check it out. I am in Rolling Thunder cabin on wheels. Dreaming about camping. It won't be long. Can't wait to get back out there, but so I have a little job to do. This is the bed. And that's what I have on top. Very comfortable. Love this bed. And then I have a 4-inch underneath that's a folding trifold type. And this folds up and it folds down. So it's worked out really well. So now I got to put the sheets on and the comforter and get all that stuff done. And then I have underneath, if you can see way under there, some straps. And they hold the corners so that you don't wrestle with your sheets. Here we go. This is the part I hate. But it is what it is. I keep contemplating van life. Getting a van. Oh, come on. What the hell? Oh. Got stuck in the thing. Anyway, this is how I'm going to do this corner. Put one here. And one over here. These things work great. I swear by them. Nothing more annoying than when your sheets keep coming off. All right, so there it is. Now the trick is getting the other side. See how it flips down? Now we're gonna flip it back up. Hoo-ah! Guess I'm gonna take my shoes off. So, you know, I've been contemplating van life and what it would be like having a van, but it all goes back to the driving and the pulling, even though a van is pretty small, which I would love. But one advantage of a trailer, it's easier to level because you got levelers on it and you can do that. You can't do that with a van unless you get the fancy stuff, which I'm not really the fancy, spend a lot of money kind of guy. All right, let's see how this works out. Should pull it down a little bit more. I will say these clips, they grip really good. So I've never had them come off the sheets. And it keeps them really nice and flat. Ta-da! Okay, it's got to flatten down a little bit. Whew. Hey, there you go, it's flattening out. One thing about RVing, camping, whatever, at this point in my life, I gotta have a comfortable bed. We tried it this way, and that didn't work so much. The climbing over each other, and I'm afraid I'm gonna smash my wife. Yeah, making the bed when it's like this is no fun. But it is what it is. It's still a good setup for a full-size bed. And then you have all this room. You still got a couch. And I have to have a sitting area and a bed. Thinking about doing a Murphy. I think that would be cool. Flip it up, have seating back here. I don't know. That's what's the fun of it. You can always remodel. Paint all this white. Keep some of the wood. See, then I just stick it all underneath. This is normally Madonna's job. She's tiny, so she can get up there and do all this stuff. So another thought that I'm having, instead of getting a van, just remodel this, because got a lot of space. It's light to pool. Put an air conditioner there. Get some new solar batteries. Put some solar on top. Thinking about maybe moving this down a little bit. I don't know if it'll be worth it because I can cut that back, my back cantina part, make it a little bit smaller. Ideas, ideas, ideas. That's the fun of all this stuff, is coming up with different ideas. I do like the pull down bed. That wouldn't work in here because my ceilings are too low, but a Murphy would be great. But then you lose your garage. But I would do a bench and a bench. Ideas, ideas, ideas. Oh, and of course we have our mighty sleeping bag. Oh, I should have put this on first. Oh well. Then we have the last layer. I like a little color. Ta-da! Oops. So it goes down as easy as it goes up. All right, and that concludes the bed. It's kind of a slop job. The best part is it's still comfortable up here and you get all that other room. That's why I like this setup. And then I got a flip up table. This flips up. So, you know, I'm kind of happy with this layout. Murphy bed though, the only problem with the Murphy bed, then I would lose that upper. And this is a good area to hang out even when it's down like that. Madonna likes to lay down there. All right, well, thanks for watching me make the bed. I'm glad I got that done because that puts us one more step closer. We gotta get out of freeze season before we can put water and everything else. But no black tank, no gray tank. It just keeps it simple. So that's what it's all about. Plus, you know, I'd love to have a 30-gallon water tank, but that adds up to weight. And my problem is the Rocky Mountains. If it were just Kansas or, you know, mellow hills, but some of these hills are too much. So got to keep it light, but and the other thing is our gazebo. With this and the gazebo, it's perfect. All right, well, that's it from here. Thanks for tuning in. If you're new here, please subscribe. I appreciate your watching. And until next time, this is Bo. See ya!